The best TV wall mounts come in three main types: flat, articulating, and tilt. Flat TV wall brackets are the simplest. They attach your television to the wall in a fixed position and don't move in any way. Then there are the articulating or full motion TV mounts. They're capable of turning and swiveling to face other directions. Lastly, tilting TV brackets can be angled up or down, which can be useful when you're trying to avoid screen reflections or glare. There are numerous options for cheap tilt TV mount, every with specific capabilities, blessings, and charges. I conducted a ton of research, studied a ton of opinions, and positioned a list of the top low-cost tilt TV mount from sincere manufacturers to help you make a knowledgeable desire. Following significant research, I found that these merchandise are pretty useful for individuals like you. If you need to know about the price and different statistics, make certain to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Sanus VMPL50A-B1. The VMPL50A-B1 is easy to install and has a good tilt range, yet it still holds a TV less than 2 inches from the wall. The Sanus VMPL50A-B1 fits TVs ranging in size from 32 to 85 inches and holds a TV less than 2 inches from the wall. You can tilt it up or down to reduce screen glare and to give yourself a little extra room to work behind the TV when you're plugging in cables. Installation is easy, and we like how the monitor brackets make an audible click when the TV is properly hung on the wall plate. The mount also has adjustment screws, in case you've installed it a little out of level. In addition, you can fine-tune the knobs that control the tension of the tilt by hand, but if you don't have enough room, Sanus supplies a convenient hex wrench for the job. The VMPL50A-B1 is all approved as well, so it's certified to hold its claimed maximum weight of 150 pounds. Number 2. Sanus VLF728-B2. The VLF728-B2 offers a long extension, easy adjustments, and smooth motion. Its lengthy mounting bars provide a lot of flexibility for you to center the TV on a wall. If you want the option of pulling the TV out from the wall and angling it toward your seat, we recommend the Sanus VLF728-B2, also sold as the Sanus VLF328-B1, which works with TVs ranging from 42 to 90 inches. This mount can extend a TV up to 28 inches off the wall farther than most, which also gives it a wide range of side-to-side pivot. To stabilize the weight of the TV, the arms are large. But when you press the mount back against the wall, it has a thin profile of just over 2 inches. The mount's smooth extension and pivoting motion give it a high-quality feel, and the adjustments, from the tilt lock to the screen leveling, are easy to use. This Sanus mount is big, but because TV mounts need to be screwed directly into wall studs, the VLF728-B2's 32-inch wide mounting bars allow for greater flexibility with placement. The all-approved VLF728-B2 is priced in the mid-range for high-end full-motion mounts. Number 3. Monoprice Series 5915 Tilt TV. The inexpensive Monoprice 5915 mount holds a TV on the wall, but doesn't have much in the way of added features. If you're looking for an inexpensive wall mount that still has a forward tilt feature and all approval, we like the Monoprice 5915 Series Tilt TV wall mount bracket. It has a weight rating of 154 pounds and works with TVs from 32 to 70 inches. It doesn't offer post-install level adjustment and it can't swivel, but it holds a TV securely against the wall and won't break the bank. Number 4. EchoGear EGLF2. The EchoGear EGLF2 doesn't have the extra long extension and advanced features of the Sanus VLF728-B2, but it's still a solid full-motion mount. If you're looking for a full-motion mount but the Sanus VLF728-B2's price is over your budget, we also like the EchoGear EGLF2. Although it doesn't measure up to the Sanus full-motion mount on any metric other than its lower price, the EchoGear EGLF2 stood above the other contenders in its price range due to its long 22-inch extension, smooth arm movements, and nice aesthetic touches, such as the curved corners of the mounting bars. This all-approved EchoGear mount typically costs between $100 and $120, in line with the other inexpensive full-motion mounts we saw. Number 5. USX Mount Full-Motion TV Wall. Universal dual full motion and tilt plus 5 degrees minus 15 degrees tilt and up to 45 degrees swivel extends up to 16.49 for 47 to 84 TVs, compatible with 16 wall studs, up to 132 pounds, maximum 600 x 400 mm visa includes bubble level and cable ties. If you're looking for a full motion mount that can tilt and swivel, USX Mount's model is strong enough to hold televisions up to 84 inches and 132 pounds. Plus, it extends as far as 16.49 inches from the wall and angles up to 45 degrees. The size allowances mean that even larger 4K TVs can be adjusted to face other areas of a room or tilt away from irritating glare. Keep in mind that the range depends on the television itself. Larger televisions may not have as much clearance to swivel as smaller TVs, but the flexibility this full-motion TV wall mount provides is still worthwhile. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.